Bullish Sun token cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 2 cents and 4 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Sun could reach 1 cent by 2025. Bearish Sun token market cost expectation for 2023 is $0. Sun token presentation. You can find out about the Sun cost forecast and its normal ascent from specialized investigation to essential cost history with the assistance of this instructional exercise. At the decision of this assessment, an unmistakable image of what's in store as far as how excessive costs will go will become evident. You will likewise find out about Sun's future. A digital money is before long going to acquire notoriety as a significant resource and will be checking out at the Sun token value expectation. The digital currency industry is going to enter the standard, and each venture is creating extraordinary methodologies to flourish and manage the market. Is Sun a wise speculation? Is one of the usually asked issues that we will endeavor to address. What Sun will be esteemed in 5 to a decade. Anticipating future valuing and assessing value varieties are truly challenging assignments. We'll be taking a gander at the typical cost, least cost esteem, most extreme cost, Sun cost figure, greatest worth, long haul cost forecast, most extreme stockpile, and the market cap in view of our own examination. What is Sun token? The digital currency of the sun.io decentralized finance network that has been redenominated is called Sun token. Sun.io went with the choice in May 2021 to grow the quantity of Sun tokens accessible from 19.9 million to 19.9 billion, moving Sun at a 110 proportion to holders of the first Sun. The market capitalization didn't change. A stablecoin-centered decentralized trade named SunSwap, along with related liquidity pools and cultivating choices for proprietors of Sun tokens, make up sun.io's DEFI stage. DEFI Llama guarantees that starting around the 8th of June 2022, sun.io has $820.20 in all-out esteem frozen. Old 2 Pool LP, an exchanging pair between Sun token and Tron's USDD stablecoin, is the greatest liquidity pool on the organization, holding more than $437 million. The biggest decentralized application on the Tron network as far as exchange volume is SunSwap. SunSwap is the second biggest Tron-based DApp behind JustLend concerning the equilibrium of possessed resources. SunSwap has the most dynamic clients of any Tron-based DApp, with 75,710 special month-to-month wallet addresses, significantly above TravelTrade's 12,510 dynamic clients and JustLend's 6,400 dynamic clients. Clients get VESUN administration tokens in return for securing Sun coins. These give holders the choice to conclude how every liquidity pool is weighted. Every liquidity pool's portion of remunerations, which are gotten from half of all exchange costs on the Sun.io DEFI stage, is weighted. Longer lockup periods bring about additional prizes in casting a ballot power. They range from a half year to 4 years. Tron, USDD, Sun token, TRX, and TAI USD, Sun token are 3 other critical liquidity pools. Sun specialized examination. The consolidated Sun trade rating for the chose time span Sun might be seen continuously utilizing TradingView's finished specialized investigation device, in spite of the way that it is hard to give 100% exact specialized examination to the Sun coin. The SUN USD report's specialized examination is based on the groundwork of moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Sun current cost. Sun token is as of now worth $0. Sun has moved 0.08% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,213,318. Sun token is at present position 947 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $45,282,878 USD. Using the overall strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling to similarity from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Sun token to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Sun token value forecast 2023. Sun token, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Sun cost estimate for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0 cost is very aggressive. Yet it is plausible sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Sun is supposed to have a base worth of $0. Sun token value forecast 2024. In 2024, Sun token Sun cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Sun will before long outperform 1 cent. Be that as it may, we ought to hold on to check whether the Sun's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Sun will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 1 cent and a typical exchanging cost of 1 cent. Sun token value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 1 cent and Sun might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Sun is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 1 cent and a low of 1 cent in 2025. Sun token value expectation 2026. Assuming Sun token effectively helps market feeling among cryptographic money fans, the Sun coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Sun will be green in 2026. The Sun is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 2 cents, with a base cost of 2 cents and a typical cost of 2 cents. Sun token value forecast 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Sun cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 2 cents by 2027. With a base cost of 2 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, Sun has a greatest value worth of 2 cents. Sun token value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 3 cents. In the event that Sun figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 3 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help Sun needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 3 cents. Sun token value expectation 2029. While Sun is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 3 cents and a yearly cost close above 3 cents in 2029. Sun token value forecast 2030. By 2030, Sun token will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 4 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 4 cents, averaging out at 4 cents. Sun token value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost estimating is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to estimate future price tags with accuracy, but all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Sun cost in 2031 is projected to be 4 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 4 cents. Do your own schoolwork prior to making any speculations. You ought to do an intensive survey of the venture and search out fair monetary direction prior to coming to your own decisions. Never put away more cash than you can stand to lose, assuming you truly do make a speculation. And, since its presentation, Sun has totally changed various ventures. The coin has gotten endorsement from a few controllers, and a gathering of particular designers is endeavoring to advance it and widen use. This report fills in as Sun's inner evaluation of its past exhibition and possibilities for future development. For